Hi children, once again I am before you. Children, this time I am coming to show you the video of lesson 8, Pumpkin Trees and Walnut Vines from our English Garden workbook. So children, it is our English Garden workbook and I am going to teach you lesson 8 from this book. Lesson 8, Pumpkin Trees and Walnut Vines. And exercise 1, Playing with Words. Exercise A, add a letter to these words to make new words. Means we have given 3 letters in this and we should be add a letter, single letter in the beginning, and then we will made a new word. We will get a new word just like this. Number 1, we have ATE 8. We add L, it becomes late, LATE late. In the same way, second, we have EAR ear and we add B, then it becomes bear, BEAR bear. Next, we have E and D and if we add B, it become band, BEND band. Next, we have ART art and we add P, it become part, PART part. Last, we have ray, RAY ray and we add T, then it become tray, TRA by. In this way children, we can make a new word by adding a single letter. Now come to next exercise, match the columns. Children, we have 2 columns, column A and column B, and each column we have 5 phrases. In the same way, second B column, we have matched these phrases to this phrase. Just like number 1, as wise as. So as wise as we will match with C, an owl, means we as wise as an owl. So we should be write C before 1. And second, as proud as. So we should match it with a peacock. It become like this, as proud as a peacock. Third one, as light as a feather. So we should read it. Is it like this? As light as a feather. As silent as. So we should match this one B, a mouse. As silent as a mouse. Fifth one, as sweet as. So we should match it with D, honey. As sweet as honey. Now turn the page. Next exercise children, learning the language. And exercise A, add ing to these words and drop the E where required. First one, EAT eat and ing is already there. So we should write it with the each other. Eating, EATING means eat may we add ing, then it become eating. Add ing in the draw, then it become drawing. Ing add in the study, then it become studying. In the same way, sleeping, riding, growing, teaching, laughing, writing and flying. Children, these are the form of the verb. Now exercise B, fill in the blanks using the ing from the words in the brackets. Means we have given verb, action word in the brackets and we should add in this word and write in the given space. First one, the frog is jump. We have given jump in the bracket, so we should add in this word and write in the given space. The frog is jumping. Second one, we have given the word biggle. Then it should like this, the worm is biggling. Next please children, Sentence number 3. The deer is leap. We add ing leap, then it become leaping. The deer is leaping. Next, we have word drink, and we had ing, then it become drinking. The dog is drinking milk. Next, play. We add ing in the play, then it become playing. The cat is playing. Next, we have the word pace. We add ing in this word and the sentence become like this. The lion is pacing. Now children, come to writing portion. Means we have given a story with the pictures. In the absence of word, there is a picture. So we should write the name of the picture just like this. Read this story. In some places the sentences have pictures instead of words. मीन्स इस प्लेस स्टोरी में कहीं कहीं क्या हुआ बेटा कि वो वर्ड ना लिख करके उस वर्ड की पिक्चर दी गई है. जस्ट लाइक वी लेट्स स्टार्ट टू रीड दिस. John is a boy. There is not written the name of John. There is the only picture and John is the example. So हमने यहाँ लिखा John. John loves animals. He has a lot of pets at home. His cat, Biko, likes to sleep on top of the TV. Goldie, now turn the page. Goldie, his pet, goldfish, loves her clean bowl. His 2 rabbits are very fond of eating lettuce. Lettuce means beta salad with different types of vegetables. This one is called salad. Lettuce leaves. John's 2 hamster. And what is the hamster? Hamster means a kind of rat, a kind of mouse. Are the best looking hamsters in the world. Tweety, his parrot, talks a lot and can swing upside down for an hour. His dog, Archie, walks for a mile with him every day. Mr. Datta, the local animal doctor, says that his pets are very happy and healthy. Now children, this story is complete and we will write this story in the given place. Just like this. Once again, I am going to read this story. And now rewrite the story using words for the pictures. John loves animals. He has a lot of pets at home. His cat, Biko, मतलब उसकी cat का नाम क्या था? Biko, likes to sleep on the TV. Goldie, his pet goldfish, उसके पास फिश थी और फिश का नाम क्या था? गोल्डी. Loves her clean bowl. His 2 rabbits are very fond of eating lettuce leaves. John's 2 hamsters are the best looking hamsters in the world. Tweety, his parrot, the name of the parrot is Tweety, talks a lot and can swing upright down for an hour. His dog, Archie, उसके dog का नाम क्या था? Archie, walks for a mile with him every day. Mr. Datta, the local animal doctor, says that his pets are very happy and healthy. Children, just so many persons are interested for keeping the pet, but we should be very careful and very loving to our pets. Now thank you. Welcome. Bye bye.